Hi guys, so here we are, we're on the A444 going up towards the M6 Roundabout in Coventry. We've just passed the Ricoh Arena and we were heading out of town really towards Nuneaton, and that's the route that we're going to take. That's a destination we're going to take first of all, from the A444 Coventry to Nuneaton. Now this here is a 50-mile-an-hour road, 50, so try and make sure that you don't go anywhere above that. As you come along here, you'll see lots of big green signs, and on the signs it will tell you which lane to go into for whichever destination. And for Nuneaton, you can go in lane 2 or 3. If you see this as a as we come up here, as a kind of 4-lane road, and reading from right to left, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're in lane 2, and lane 2 is you can go in lane 2 or 3 to Nuneaton. So we're in lane 2. That's the left-hand one of the 2 that you can use. And so as we come up to the traffic lights, going on to red, and we'll just wait here. And it's actually quite nice that they've gone on to red, because it'll give you just a chance to see where your lane goes. Remembering that we're in lane 2. Now from this angle, lane 1 goes off up the M6. So we don't want to get into that. As we move on to the roundabout now, we just stay in lane 2, just follow the lane around. And then that's going to put us next to the central reservation as we come through here. So now we're nicely in on the left, under the bridge, and we're going to come off the roundabout now. So there's 2 lanes that go to Nuneaton, and we've chosen the left-hand one, which has brought us off on the left-hand lane on this new road, which again is the A444, and this is a 70-mile-an-hour road. So here we are again. This time we're on the A444 again, but we're going away from Coventry. We're on the what you might know as the Jimmy Hill Way, and we're going towards Bedworth. One of my students the other day asked me who Jimmy Hill was. Didn't know. How strange. I just said it's a bloke with a big chin. Anyway, we're going to go right at the roundabout for Bedworth. So the first thing we need to do is change lanes. So we're going to use the mirrors, the door mirrors, the indicator, the door mirror again. We're going to move over when it's clear. You can see on the sign, on the big green sign, there's a white section. It says Bedworth B4113, and that's all the way over to the right hand side. So we're going to move into that lane. So we're in the far right lane, which again, if you count the lanes over, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're in lane 4. Lights are on red, which is doing us a favour. As we go around the roundabout, we'll be looking on the road markings, for where it either says Bedworth, B-E-D, bed, or where it says B4113, because it's the same road. That's the road we want to go on to. And we've moved into the inner lane now, the one right next to the island, and it says 4113 on the road, so we know we're in the right place. As we go through the lights, you'll see that the lane spirals out, so we're just going to spiral out with it and follow that line around, and that will take us into this lane here, which is now 1, 2, 3 out, isn't it, from the roundabout. And again, we just got caught by the light, so that's fine. Now if we went straight on from here, we would be going down the M6, so that can't be the right one. And if you look at you'll be able to see from here, perhaps not on the camera, be able to see from here, there's a big green sign with 2 white sections on them, which are the road for Bedworth, and we're going to follow that lane. So it's going to follow that lane out like this, and then just as we come round here, we can see that our lane actually goes round to the right here. We're going to follow that around, and now that's put us on the extreme left lane, and it's going to take us off the roundabout and down towards Bedworth. Those lights are on green when I cross the line, I promise. And here we are, we're back onto this dual carriageway now, which is going to take us in towards Bedworth, and it's taking us back down now towards the driving test centre. So this time we're on the A444, and then we're heading towards Coventry now, and we're heading towards the M6 Roundabout. We're going to head, we're going to follow the signs for Bedworth, which is the B4113. And when you see the big green signs, there'll be a section of it, a white section, which will tell you where the road for Bedworth is, the B4113. So just as we come along the road here now, obviously this is a 70-mile-an-hour road. We're in the left lane. This lane splits into two, and we're going to just choose the right-hand one of those two, which now is a 4-lane road, and we're in lane 2. And if you look on the road, it will say Bed and B4113. Actually, just said B4113 there, didn't it? But there you go. So we're going to follow this through. Lights are on green. We're in this left lane here. Well, not the left lane, the next one out. But as we come through here, we're going to get right over to the left-hand side, which is a B4113, down to these traffic lights. And you can see what that's done is it's put us in the correct lane now for moving off of the roundabout at the next exit. There's a question here whether you need a signal or not. You perhaps don't need one, but I'm going to put one on just because there's a car just behind me playing up. He's alright now, that's fine. Okay, there you go. And that brings us into this road again, and this is now taking us in towards Bedworth, in towards where the test centre is. And that's from the B4113 coming out of Nuneaton into Coventry. So again, we're on the A444. We're approaching the M6 Roundabout for Coventry, and at this time we're on the A444 coming out of Nuneaton up towards Coventry, so that end. And we're going to follow the signs for Coventry this time. As you come along here, we're in the left lane on the dual carriageway, just taking our time. We'll see a lot of big green signs, and they're going to tell us which lane to get into for Coventry. So looking up here, we can see that actually if we move into this lane, which is the second one out, that will take us to Coventry, because 3 lanes 2, 3 and 4 all go into Coventry. There you go. So we're in the left hand option of those, and that's this one here. The light should change to green soon. There you go. As we move through the traffic lights, we're then looking for the lane that takes us to Coventry, and according to the sign there, the big green sign, it's the second one out, and that's this one here. And it says on the road A444S for south, and that's where we're going. So as we come round here, the traffic's moving quite slowly today because of the lorries on the roundabout, but there you go, we've got caught by the lights, that's fine. That gives us a chance to see where we're going. Now the Coventry turn is not the one that's straight on from here, it's the one that follows around to the right, and that's, you can see why it's put us in this lane then, just to so that we're in a good position when we do just follow it round to the right here. We're actually in the left lane that takes us off of the roundabout and back onto the A444, which is now called Jimmy Hill Way, and into Coventry. This will take you down to the Ricoh Arena, and that's the road right now. It's a 50 mile an hour road, 50, and there we are. So here we are again. We're coming away from the test centre now, and we're going along the B4113 towards the M6 Roundabout in Coventry, and we're going to follow the signs for Coventry here. You can see from the first sign, which is a bit behind the lamppost, it's the first left, and you can see from this sign here, it's a bit behind the trees, this one, but again it's the left hand lane, and it will say on the road as well, the A444 south, south for S, and that's where we're going. And your examiner, what it will usually say to you is follow the signs for Coventry. They are a bit hidden behind the trees, so you'll have to have a look out for them, something like that. But there you are, it's on the left lane on this one, and we're just going to follow this around now. Some of the kind of approaches to this roundabout have traffic lights, and some don't. This is the one that doesn't. So as we come up here, we're going to be looking for a space that we can use. And there is our space. So we're just going to go in, and that's going to bring us in down to the Jimmy Hill Way, which is a 50 mile an hour road. And again, this is the A444. We're down here, and this road now takes us back towards the Ricoh Arena. And there you go. That's your approach from the B4113 back onto the A444 towards Coventry. Hello again. So here we are. We're on the B4113 coming out of Bedworth, and we're going to follow the signs for Nuneaton now. As we come along here, this is a 70 mile an hour road. You see the sign there. We can see the sign for the roundabout there. It suggests that we should be on the right hand lane, but don't do that, stay in the left lane. And as we come along here, we're going to choose the middle lane. Just naturally go into the middle lane, and you can see from the sign that both this lane and the lane out to our right both go to Nuneaton. So we're in the left hand one. Always choose the left hand option if there's one there. So again, if you count the lanes back, 1, 2, 3, we're in lane 2. There we go, it looks like we're clear to go. And there's a nice bit of lighter tarmac here. If we just stay in that bit, that will take us around in this lane. Good idea, just to take your time as you go through this roundabout, just making sure you're in the correct lane all the time, and that once you're in a lane, just stay in that lane, and allow the lane to take you off of the roundabout. Just move out with the lane, and that's going to put us next to the reservation here, and there you go, we're coming down to the traffic lights now. Lights are just turning on to green, the traffic should move forward. Now it's a good point here as you're coming off of this roundabout here, just to make sure you stay well over to the left, and that will mean that you're not going to come into conflict with any of the other traffic on your right, and we just follow the road out, and there we are, we're back onto the A444 towards Nuneaton.